Hello everyone, I will be showing you how you can complete the Adobe Creative Educator Level 2. For that, you need to sign in to edX.adobe.com using your Microsoft ID. Once you have signed in, using the search icon, you need to type Design Your Creative Class. Okay, make sure this has the word Primary, Secondary and K-12 when it opens, because there is another similar course, so you need to enroll into Design Your Creative Class. As you do it, go through these links having interesting videos. Once you're done, then comes the next step of assignment. The assignment has two parts. First part is creating a lesson plan. So you have to pick up this third template and download this template on your device. Make sure you've downloaded it and then start editing as per your lesson. You need to create a very simple lesson plan. Also, you can see in the Adobe Creative Educator Level 2 session chat, Ms. Sonia had shared a sample lesson plan as well. You can refer to that, or like what I have created. I've created a plan on musical periods in Western classical music. Change the author name to your name. Write a brief overview. What you want your students to learn and create. I have make sure you include this Adobe products here, Adobe apps, Adobe Spark. I have mentioned using Music Journal, using Adobe Spark. Also in the material and resources, you can mention this link, Adobe Spark for Education. Okay, and then the other resources that you would like to use for your lesson. In the Learn and Explore again, edit as per your lesson. Then create is the next step. What you do like your students to create. The feedback, how would you give the feedback? How would you like your students to share? So since we are using Teams, I have written they'll share the link of the video in their OneNote class notebook. Now in the lesson plan, you'll find this optional tutorial. You may keep it or you may remove it. It's your choice. But it's just a tutorial for you're putting it for your students. So yeah, just let it be there. This is the lesson plan. All right. Next comes in the second part of the assignment, which is the video. You have to create a video. 1 minute video. 1 minute is the minimum requirement. It can be more than 1 minute, sorry. As an Adobe Creative Educator, how do you bring creativity into your instructional practice and student experience? You have to answer this prompt and you have to use Adobe Spark to create this video. For that, you have to go to Creative Cloud and go to Adobe Spark and create the video. So here I am in Spark. Sorry, I'll just take you from this scratch. Create this, click this plus icon, select video and give a title AC Level 2. It's a while to load, so we will not use any template from here. We'll start from scratch. Takes a while to load. So you just need to put in certain images related to your subject and how you would be incorporating creative teaching and learning into your classroom, into your instructional practices. You just need to include some points on that. Just be patient as it loads. So alright, we are here. So you will get a brief tutorial also. So yes, please watch the tutorial and then alright, if you don't want to watch, click OK, I'm ready. So you may insert, you may go for a split screen in the beginning. One side having your school logo, one side your own introduction, write your name, your school. If you're already ACE Level 1, write that. Keep on adding other slides, answering the prompt. How would you bring in creativity into your instructional practices, and then end the video. So you need to have minimum 1 minute So here you can increase the time of the slide so it stays on the screen for how long you can decide from here. Also, you need to record whatever you are writing over here. You can record the narration. That will also increase the time here. So here's your video. After your video is created, you can preview at any point of the time and then click on share. As you share, you will publish the video here. You can change the name here, pick a category, pick education. You can give any subtitle, you are the author, and a link gets created. I have attached the video which I had created and submitted towards the end of this tutorial for your reference. Now you will use this link. You will paste this link into that assignment part where we were earlier. Alright, I think we were here. So when we come to the last point, this assignment part, here what you need to do, you will submit both the lesson plan and the video. So what are you submitting? You're submitting the lesson plan video. Here you will drop the lesson plan file and here you can add the Spark video. Fine. And then you're done. That's the way you will be doing it. And after you're done, you will be getting an email from Adobe stating that you have earned a participant badge and your coursework is being reviewed. And after a few days, you will get the Adobe Creative Educator Level 2 badge and certificate. As Miguel has rightly said, I associate creativity with independent music. Music and creativity go hand in hand. In my music classroom, I won't limit my students to merely be performers. They can go beyond further as researchers and creators, as well as appreciators of music. Learning about music in personal, local, and global context would strengthen their knowledge about musical cultures. As a creative educator, I would go beyond the traditional approach of teaching and bring in the change in my classroom. My students will be actively engaged in activities which would broaden their musical horizon. I strongly believe in technological integration in my classes, and I would plan my lessons which have technology as an important component of their coursework. Thank you.